Hey guys, well, it's time to announce the winners. Are you excited? Hey everybody, so it's time to announce the winners in our challenge, and that's our BENQ Key Visual Graphic challenge to be exact. Okay, so we're going to have 3 prize winners, number 1, 2, and 3, and they're going to get epic prizes worth a lot of money, so thank you BENQ. Before we dive into that, we're going to check out all the contenders. Okay, so they're going to get some exposure for their work, so please share that and help them out a little bit. And after we've done that, we're going to go in and announce the winners. Right, here we go. Well guys, a job well done. Congratulations to the winners, and thank you all as far as participating in this challenge. The next one is going to be a 3D modeling challenge. It's going to be announced soon, so don't miss that. And before we close off the video, I want to once again thank BENQ. Now keep in mind guys that without them I couldn't do any of this. They put up some very sweet prizes, so check out their website, show them some love, and get some gear from them, right? If you know my channel, you know that I've been working with their monitors for years before they started sponsoring my channel, okay? So check them out, show them some love, and that said, see you guys in the next video. Bye.